Believe it, guys, we are going to make restaurant-style Chinese hot and sour soup in 10 minutes flat. First thing we need to do is get our vegetables prepped. So I'm just going to go straight in with my carrot here. If you've got one of these julienne vegetable peelers, they are so great because you can just strip away the little fine shards of the carrot. Now, if you don't have one of these, don't worry, just buy shredded carrot already pre-done from your supermarket. It's pretty easy to find those these days. Okay, and to that we want to add a mixture of mushrooms. Now, I've got some enoki mushrooms here, which I love for this soup because they turn into nice little silky tendrils all the way through our beautiful soup. And then just take your shiitake mushroom, and the stem itself is a little bit tough, so just slice through that mushroom and then remove the stem and then just keep on slicing. Okay, so they go into our pot as well. And then I've got some firm tofu here, and I'm just going to slice that through the middle. And I want some fine slices of that. And then we want some bamboo shoots and some cooked chicken. Now, I'm just using some rotisserie chicken that I've shredded up, but leftover roast chicken would be good as well. Or you could keep this meat-free and leave the chicken out. Okay, and now for our chicken stock. So you know what? I'm just using a store-bought stock today because it's the middle of the week and I'm in a bit of a hurry. If you've got homemade stock, of course, go ahead and use that. And then we want to get this mixture gently bubbling away on our stove top. I love this soup. So most kids, when they're at a Chinese restaurant, are ordering, you know, the chicken and sweet corn soup. I was always the hot and sour kid. Ordering the hot and sour soup was my favorite. Now time to add the seasonings. So I've got some light soy sauce here, which is just a regular Chinese soy sauce. And then I've got some dark soy sauce here for some color, some white vinegar. Now, if you've got some Chinese black vinegar at home, go ahead and use that. That would be the traditional vinegar to use here, but white vinegar is much easier to find, so you can use that one. And some pepper. So the main flavors in this soup are sour, salty, and then a really good hit of pepper. So I'm going to put quite a bit of pepper in there. And that is the hard part done, folks. We are just now waiting for this to bubble away, all those flavors to infuse and become nice and tasty. Oh, I just love the color of this soup. It's like autumn leaves, just lovely. Okay, so those mushrooms have softened now. It's only been a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna add in some corn flour mixed with a little bit of water because, of course, this style of soup is quite thick. So I'm gonna add this in. And just like that, our soup is turning beautifully thick and glossy. I just want to let that bubble away a few more minutes to thicken up a little bit. And now let's try this out and see. That's good. I'm loving those really nice sour flavors, but you know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit more vinegar. And this is where your own personal taste will come into it. Add in some more vinegar. A little bit of salt if you think it needs it, because that of course depends on your chicken stock, how salty that was to start with. And because I like things spicy, I'm going to add in a little bit more black pepper. Such a simple soup, but so ultra comforting. All that's left now is to serve up and just sprinkle with a little bit of spring onion.